Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1998 Starcraft Starship 2015. This is a great little deck boat with a lot of nice features. You'll notice right from the start the nice deep V giving the boat a soft ride. You'll also notice that the knockdown rails, which is this section of the hull right here, comes all the way forward. That also gives you a really nice dry ride in the boat. That knocks down the spray and keeps it from coming into the boat. You have a forward boarding ladder. That's so if you want to beach the boat, you got a way to get in and out. Just beyond the forward boarding ladder is the anchor locker. And boarding ladder storage. There's a nice knee-high bow rail, bimini top. The boat does include the Magic Trail galvanized dual axle trailer. She's a dual console model, which means that she has windshields on either side of the boat. Gives the driver and passenger a little bit of protection. You'll also notice that the gel coat's in really nice shape. There's a good shine to the boat. Nice sun pad for getting in all your rays. Your Alpha 1 outdrive. Rear boarding ladder. And we'll continue on with the next segment. Starting at the back of the boat, you'll see the Mercruiser Alpha 1 drive, which is powered by a 5-liter, 220 horsepower Mercruiser V8. Inside the boat, you'll notice plenty of seating in very good shape. Very nice helm compartment. Helm station. Moving forward, there is a 12-person seating capacity for the boat. There's plenty of room for everybody. You have a sink. Also plenty of storage. On the helm side, enclosed head compartment with a porta potty. There's storage on the floor, as well as all the seating areas. Moving back to the engine compartment. There's your 5-liter Mercruiser. Battery compartment and storage.